Pioneers, shall we take a journey back in time, to an uncharted treasure island before the birth of nations, before borders, before currency? In this new era shaped by artificial intelligence, the definition of value is being rewritten at its very core. Data alone is no longer enough. The true scarce resource is authenticity, real, verified human intelligence. Through Pi Network, more than 18 million KYC-verified individuals have already formed what can only be described as the world's first human infrastructure for AI. These are not passive users, but active participants powering AI model tuning, data labeling, and real-world verification. At the heart of this system lies the PiRC version 5.1 adaptive engine, an intelligent control mechanism designed to regulate value, liquidity, and trust in real time. Every action, every task, and every contribution is measured within a dynamic system that ensures fairness and efficiency at scale. The introduction of a fixed standard, where 1 KYC equals 10 million microns, transforms human effort into a quantifiable, protected economic unit. For the first time, labor is no longer hidden behind opaque systems or undervalued in fragmented markets. It is elevated into a transparent, algorithmically governed asset class. As millions of tasks flow through the network, the system organizes itself through a powerful 7-layer, rainbow matrix, representing the full lifecycle of AI development. It begins with orange, where AI companies initiate demand and define tasks. It transitions into green, where pioneers execute and verify real-world work, ensuring authenticity at every step. Then comes purple, where value is tokenized through digital assets, bridging human contribution with programmable economics. Finally, it reaches gold, where AI models are activated, infused with human-verified intelligence that ensures reliability and trust. This seamless integration is more than infrastructure, it is the vertical standardization of the AI industry itself. In this model, human judgment and blockchain integrity are no longer separate forces but are fused into a single economic engine capable of scaling globally. What emerges is not just efficiency, but a new paradigm where humans remain at the center of technological evolution, guiding and refining the very intelligence they help create. Beyond this structured system lies something even more transformative, a return to a pre-state economic reality. A treasure island where value is no longer confined by national borders, centralized authorities, or legacy financial systems. Here, trust is decentralized, and assets flow instantly across a global payout infrastructure that operates beyond traditional constraints. In a world increasingly defined by geopolitical tension, rising debt, and the gradual erosion of legacy financial dominance, such a system offers a radically different path forward. Pi positions itself not merely as a participant, but as a foundational layer, a secure artery through which global labor and AI data can move freely, efficiently, and transparently. It represents a neutral ground where individuals, rather than institutions, hold the keys to value creation and distribution. The 526 million human tasks already completed are only the visible surface of this transformation. Beneath them lies a deeper architecture, standards, governance layers, and adaptive systems working in precise coordination to sustain a new form of digital economy. Within this structure, pioneers are no longer just miners or early adopters, they are the human delegation. They verify truth in a world increasingly filled with synthetic noise. They protect the integrity of systems that rely on trust. And most importantly, they shape the evolution of intelligence itself. This is the rabbit hole, a system so refined that speculation collapses under its weight, leaving only verifiable value behind. And as the great Pi carries value from the atomic level to the cosmos, it reveals its true nature, not just as a currency, but as a living system of energy and coordination. Like a spectrum of light, it radiates in 7 colors, symbolizing diversity, unity, and infinite possibility. This is not a distant future, it is unfolding now. The treasure island is real, the system is active, and together, pioneers are building what can only be described as the post-AI empire.